walking through the square here, taking a little meander. And another plaza. Statue up there.
Actually, the time of my mom. If you ever see the position of the home, a question, very good.
Close.
Now, I love you very much. Yo calabo mucho.
Le calabo mucho.
Calabo mucho.
Le calabo mucho.
Right, you can get the pictures. And if you want to come here, and you pass the camera to me, I'll take the picture of your son with the Christmas time. Hi to all my fans out there. Subscribe, we need subscribers, please. No, take it
Ahora, no me están muriendo por la cosita la señora.
Thank you. This is a church here. Yeah, so this is a church. There's some writing on the wall on the entrance door.
I will get it from you.
No.
I don't think mine will be
There it is, the church here. Yeah. All right, it says Peregrinos de la Esperanza Jubilee 2025 on the door. Okay, a church is right next to us up here, so we're just walking back to the bus here. At least the street will be in the shade that we're going down here. And they got Christmas lights up on top here. And every now and then a car might come by here, but we just have to watch it here. Okay. There's a guy working in the mine there, doing that. And I don't know what's up in here, just little rocks and stuff in there. A sign. Another guy in the dark here, working. And a guy doing explosives over here. The Emerald place, okay. We got the guys working in the simulated mine here. There's a big stone here. Yeah, look at that there. Yeah. All those ones are here. And all those emeralds. Yeah. The largest Colombian emerald bearing vein or something. This vertical tunnel where they put the rocks in here and it goes up in the tunnel up there. This is just, you know, for show. It's not a real one. It's all about guys with the gold ship ceremony, the El Dorado ceremony. We got more stuff here. Got the village here with the ladies. The guys, and we got skull of something with an emerald on top. I don't know what the skull is. It's the Judgment Stone. So I guess if you put your hand on there and you instantly burn up in flames, then you're guilty. If not, maybe you're innocent. I don't know.